Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can reset your forgotten password on the Metal Slug Awakening PC game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up Metal Slug Awakening on your device, and once you are taken into the login page, just click on Forgot Password. You will then be asked to enter your email address that you have used while signing up for your account. Just type in this email address and then click on the Send Email button. You will now be asked to enter the verification code that has been sent to your inbox. So just check your email, and once you find your verification code, you can just enter it within the given box. Then click on OK, and now you will be allowed to enter your desired new password. Just type in your desired new password, and then type it in once again for confirmation. Once all three checkboxes are visible, click on the OK button, and now your account password has successfully been reset. Click on Confirm, and then launch the game once again. And now you can use your newly set password to log into your account. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to reset your forgotten password on the Metal Slug Awakening PC game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.